There's no other business model quite like Etsy dropshipping. So let me explain how easy Etsy is, okay? And I'm sure the first comparison that comes to your head is Shopify dropshipping, okay? That is what you are going to be comparing Etsy to. Maybe there's a few of you who are going to be talking perhaps about eBay and FBA, but it's not quite the same. So with Shopify, right, you have to have a bit of tech knowledge. You have to have a bit of understanding of how things work. Setting up your DNS, domains, email marketing, perhaps setting up your templates, your themes, your apps, your subscriptions, your logistics, making sure everything works. Yada yada. With Etsy, you don't have to do any of that. You visit Etsy.com. If you have an account, you press button in the top right, click sell on Etsy and fill it out. Right, and that's it. You are then given a back end, a domain technically, but it's not your own, but it is. You're given a design of your store. It's a layout. It's all done for you. It's a $1 billion company that has highly optimized how your products are shown to people, and the layout and where the buttons are and the colors of the buttons and the fonts and the sizes, and always split testing and which information to give the customer in which order, right? With Shopify, you have to do all these tests yourself, other people's research, trial and error, split tests, okay? That is why there's nothing quite like Etsy, right? Everything is done for you. It is done and backed by a $1 billion organization. The proof is in the pudding, right? Hundreds of millions of people are on the platform organically searching for products, and you can tap into that. You can go, right, okay, this product's in demand, get this up, boom. Oh, people are seeing it already. I haven't had to do any external marketing. I don't run TikTok ads, I don't run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, right? I don't have to worry about Google. It's all done for you. So tell me this. What other business model can you get into where sure you pay, 10.5% in fees and a listing renewal and whatnot, right? But what other business model can you get into where you are given the customers? You are given the people to sell to in masses. All you need to do is sell the right product to them at the right time in the right way. And that bit is easy. That is what you spend all your time doing, is getting the product up. Boom. Okay. Here's the results. Here's what's coming back. Here's the feedback. Here's the data. Oh, Etsy, give that to me all nicely, neatly wrapped up and, a bow on it. Lovely. With Shopify, okay, you spent all this time building a site. You've invested a lot, you've got $100 of monthly subscriptions and the fee, and you spent $250 on the theme, and it needs to work. How are people going to come to my shop? Oh shit. Oh, I need to run some ads. I don't have any money for ads. Oh, I need to do some TikTok organic. I need to buy the product. Oh. There's no guarantee that anyone is even going to see your hard work. If you're going to put the hard work in, do you want people to see it or not? Right? What other business model is there where you're given all of the tools to succeed, all of the people to sell to with a good payment processing system, right? And you're looked after. It blows my mind that people, so many people miss and step over this great opportunity. Because I'm not telling you I'm not telling you do Etsy forever, it's going to do you. But use it as a tool, build that cash flow and go into whatever you want, right? Sure, Etsy's, a renter platform, right? It's not yours, but neither's Shopify, neither are your ad accounts, neither's anything nowadays, right? So while the opportunity is there, why don't you use it? Etsy is only going to get bigger and better, but it's going to become harder for people like you if you've not started to get going. Etsy is incredibly easy once you know how things operate. You know what to do, the systems. You go, oh, okay, this has happened, I do this. That's happened, do this, right? Boom, boom, pieces together. Okay, this all flows into my back end, orders go out, orders come in, boom, right? It is so simple, right? When you are given a gold mine, right, Do you go into that gold mine and go, right, yeah, it's 20 past 7, my back is a bit sore, so I'll probably only mine a bit of gold for a bit and then I'll go home and have a nap? Or do you go, right, okay, I've got 24 hours in a day, I'll have an hour's sleep, so 23 hours, and I'm just going to mine gold all day. That's all I'm going to do. Right, which one are you? Are you the guy that skips over opportunities to make money in an easy way, in a way that is going to level you up, put you up on a platform, and allow you to do whatever you want? Or are you the guy that goes, oh, I'll put 10 minutes into it, and if it doesn't work, I'm not going to do it, right? It all comes down to that, because if you're committed to Etsy, you are going to see results, right? It is the most beautiful platform to sell on. Everything just works well. You do things right, you put the time into the research, and you see that you reap the rewards. It really is as simple as that. With Etsy, as a beginner, there's one thing you focus on, right? Until you have traction, the only thing you have to do is find products and list them. Sure, you're going to get a couple messages a day, maybe even a couple sales. That will take a minute out of your day to sort, right? The rest of your time digging for gold is spent on product research, new products, new ways to do your titles, descriptions, tags. How am I finding these products? What are my competition doing? How can I piggyback off that? Okay, their listing structure is this. Let me adapt that. Let me work on that. Let me see what the top dogs in the space are doing. Oh, they're focusing on this. Can I get into that? Oh, okay, I found some new products that are cooking up. These are doing really well. Let me get them up. Oh, okay, I've got 5 stores now. Right? Oh, okay, they're all working in tandem, right? It's how easy would it be for you to have one Shopify dropshipping store, set everything up, have it running, all the ads, boom, 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 monitoring, managed, lovely. Then to do another one and another one and another one and run them all simultaneously together. You have to be pretty damn good at Shopify, right? With Etsy, it's not that hard, okay? That's why we give you all the tools you need to succeed for free in Etsy Mafia, right? That's what we do. It's what we love. After selling on the platform for many years, it's still an amazing feeling to launch that new store, get that first sale quickly, and start going, yeah, okay, we're back. This is it. Level up. This is another successful store. Okay, I'm going to build this out, pass it over to the team, and have the team manage it. There's nothing quite like selling on Etsy. It is an incredible feeling. And when you make money, you feel good. And when you feel good, you're happy, right? And happiness is at the core of everything we do. And it allows you to do whatever you want. And Etsy can be that driver for you, right? If you want that escape, if you want that how, if you think you're talented, dedicated, I'm made for bigger things. You need cash flow. How do you get cash flow? You sell on Etsy.